Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn 100 plus English sentences which are very useful in our daily conversation. So let's start the video. Good morning. Good morning everyone. How are you? Fine, thanks. How are you? Great. Come in please. My name is Akash. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Sit down please. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon sir. My name is Akash. How are you? I am great. Nice to meet you, Akash. Hello, Akash. Hello, Sania. What's this? It's a book. What's that? It's a gift. Thank you. You are welcome. Who is he? He is my English lecturer. Who is she? She is my friend. She is beautiful. I don't know. Let's dance together. I can't dance. Let's sing a song together. I can't sing. What time do you get up? I get up at 5 a.m. I go to college at 9 a.m. Look, it's a new bike. What a nice bike. Yes, it's very nice. Whose bike is this? It's Rahul's. Rahul, is this your bike? Yes, it's mine. Wow, you have a nice bike. Welcome everyone. This is for you. Can you jump? No, I can't. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Oh, I am sorry. Is she okay? Hello everyone. Do you like fruits? Yes, I do. Do you like cheese? No, I don't. Mom, I am hungry. May I help you? Yes, please. How much is it? I like this car. I want this hat. Now let's have lunch. Let's play outside. Sorry, I can't. It's too hot outside. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Thank you. What class is next? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. I like cricket. I play cricket every day. I play cricket too, but I can't play very well. Don't worry, I can help you. That's a good idea. That was a great time. I can make it. Let's go for camping. Let's eat the food. Wash your hands first. Let's check the gifts or presents. Put on your clothes. Is this mine? Yes, it's yours. Okay, now let's go. Thank you for coming. You're welcome. Nice to see you. How are you all? Fine, thanks. Anything else? Do you want some water? Yes, please. Can you help me, please? Excuse me, where is the college? Go straight, it's over there. Thank you very much. Where is the cafeteria? It's next to the bookshop. Where is the restroom? I don't know. Let's ask that man. It's on your left. I don't see it. Where is it? It's under the bridge. It's on the chair. He's under the table. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's go home. Please wait for me. We are late. Let's hurry. It's a beautiful place. What are you doing? Where are you going? I'm writing an email. Let's do it later. Look over there. What's he or she doing? What did you do yesterday? I read books. Let's go to the classroom. What did you do there? I want to go there. How are you? I am good or I am pretty good. What do you do? I didn't get you. What do you think? I really appreciate. Can I ask you a favor? Never mind or doesn't matter. Sorry to bother you. Where are you from? What do you like? I don't understand. How is life? That's enough. It's not worth it. Is it true or is it false? Excuse me. Nice to meet you. I agree with you. Thanks for this honor. That's a great job. I am a workaholic. Are you on Facebook or on any other social media platform? I will text you. Keep in touch. Take care. Thank you in advance. Keep it up. What's your suggestion? As you like. What's your phone number? Not seen since a long time. I am not available. I will be back in a minute. You will be fine. It won't work. It's not worth it. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video. Support and subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more videos.